Okay, here are some notes about the trapezoidal rule. Now we saw in the example for 701 that the trapezium gave the best estimate. This is a formula here for the trapezoidal rule, which is just the area of a trapezium. Now that form is not actually on your reference sheet. There is another version of it on the reference sheet at the bottom of page 3, and I'll be showing you that later. So if we have a look at how it works in this particular example here, the area of the trapezium is half times the height times the sum of the parallel sides. So the height of the trapezium is this distance across here. So that's b minus a. And then the parallel sides are f of a and f of b. So there's the formula. So we'll look at this example. So what we're doing is we're finding the area under this curve, which is 4 minus x squared, so an upside down parabola. And we're doing it from the point where x equals 1 to where x equals 2. So this area all under here. First we're going to do it using one sub-interval. So that just means one trapezium. So we'll get half b minus a, b is 2 and a is 1, as I've written on the end points here of my integral. These are my a and my b. So half of 2 minus 1, f of 1 is the height of one parallel side and f of 2 is the height of the other parallel side. So if I work that out, that's half times 1 in this case, bracket f of 1, which equals 3, and f of 2, which is 0. And if I put that into my calculator, that is 1.5 units squared. I'm going to do the same example again using what we call two subintervals. So that just means dividing it into two trapeziums. That's why I've drawn this line up the middle. So one trapezium there, one trapezium there. That second trapezium is actually a triangle, but we're still using the trapezium formula. So you can see down here, in this case my b minus a is 1.5 minus 1. There's 1.5 there. F of 1 plus f of 1.5 plus half 2 minus 1.5, f of 1.5 plus f of 2. So that all equals half times 0.5. F of 1 is 3, f of 1.5 is 7 over 4, plus my second one, half 2 minus 1.5 is again 0.5. F of 1.5, now we already used that back there, 7 over 4, and then plus f of 2, and f of 2 is 0. Now if you factorize out the half and the 0.5, so half times 0.5, which is a quarter, what you end up with is 3 plus 2 lots of 7 on 4. I'm doing this for a very good reason that we'll see later, plus the 0. That will lead into the other formula that is on your reference sheet. And the answer to that is 1.625 units squared.